Today Archangel Michael has an urgent warning for you. He says if you ignore this message, legal papers could be filed against you without warning, a situation that could change your entire life in ways you never expected. This is not meant to scare you but to protect you from serious harm heading your way. Even though danger is approaching, remember that divine forces are watching over you right now. Believe that this warning comes at this exact moment for a reason, and know that by listening now, you are already beginning to receive legal protection. A woman in your life is not talking to you anymore, but she is talking about you to an attorney, and your future depends on what happens next. Archangel Michael wants you to know about a special shield of protection that must surround you within the next 48 hours. This isn't just about hearing information, it's about activating divine legal defense around your entire situation before documents get signed. This warning acts as a holy barrier against misunderstandings and false accusations being discussed in an attorney's office right now. The next few minutes will create a wall of truth that protects your reputation, your freedom, and your peace of mind through this dangerous situation and beyond. Your spiritual defense must lock into place before this legal consultation concludes, because once papers are filed, the battle becomes much harder to win. This urgent protection message is one of many Archangel Michael wants to send you. Subscribe now and turn on all notifications to receive these divine warnings before legal situations can escalate against you. Your future security depends on staying informed about spiritual attacks disguised as legal matters. Like this video now as your spiritual signature accepting this legal protection that Michael is offering you today. You've noticed something strange lately with a particular woman in your life. You've always treated people fairly and tried to do the right thing even when it cost you. Your good character shows who you really are, and it has caught the attention of higher powers watching over you. You've felt uncomfortable energy around this woman recently and trusted your instincts that something was wrong. Her silence spoke louder than words, and you knew deep down that her distance meant something serious. Your ability to sense when people turn against you and stay calm despite the confusion has made you someone the angels watch over with special concern during this difficult time. Because of your pure heart in this matter, Archangel Michael himself has taken notice of your situation. He has seen how you've handled yourself with integrity and how your intentions remain good despite being misunderstood. He is deeply troubled by the injustice being prepared against you. He wants to step in personally to defend you now. Guided by divine justice and seeing the truth of what really happened between you and this woman, Archangel Michael is ready to place powerful legal protection around you today. This intervention comes from the highest levels of heavenly authority, and it arrives just in time to change the outcome of what's being planned. A legal situation far more serious than simple conflict is developing against you right now. This woman has been quietly building a case in her mind, collecting details and perhaps even evidence to present to an attorney. Her lawyer is reviewing your situation at this very moment, looking for grounds to take action against you. The legal matter involves her perception of events that may be completely different from what actually happened. She believes she has valid reasons to pursue legal action, whether that involves financial claims, protective orders, harassment allegations, or other legal restrictions that could impact your life significantly. Her emotional state is clouding her judgment about the real truth of your interactions. Outside voices may be influencing her decision, pushing her toward legal action when resolution could happen another way. This warning from Archangel Michael creates a protective barrier of truth around all legal outcomes connected to you. It wraps divine light around the attorney's office, the woman's heart, and every document that might be created. Your energy field receives immediate protection from legal entanglements that could destroy your reputation and future. Archangel Michael's legal protection must extend to other men facing similar dangers tonight. Immediately share this warning with at least 3 men you know who might be dealing with difficult situations involving women. Each person who misses this message remains vulnerable to legal attacks that could come without warning and change everything. Your share could be the divine intervention that saves someone's entire future right now. By sharing, you become a messenger of heavenly protection for men who need this defense desperately. By watching this message fully before the day ends, you receive Michael's protective power flowing into your legal situation. His mighty sword of truth cuts through any lies or misunderstandings being presented to the attorney right now. Divine light surrounds every conversation happening about you, influencing hearts and minds toward fairness and truth. You'll sleep more peacefully tonight knowing guardian angels are stationed at that attorney's office, watching over the consultation and softening the woman's heart before any final decisions get made. Truth will surface in ways that change her perspective and her course of action. Your dreams tonight will bring clarity about how to handle this situation with wisdom. Think of this as spiritual lawyers being assigned to your case in the heavenly courts, creating a defense that no earthly attorney can overcome. This protection arrives at the perfect moment, just before the legal process would have moved forward in a direction that could have changed your life forever. Archangel Michael has seen your true character and the important work you're meant to do in this world. He knows you're at a critical point where this legal threat could completely derail your spiritual mission and life purpose. He wants to make sure nothing stops you from fulfilling your divine assignment. He recognizes how this situation is testing your faith and your ability to trust in divine justice. This special protection is clear proof that heaven is actively involved in your personal battles, not just watching from a distance. This warning shows how much your future matters in the bigger picture of what God is doing. The fact that Michael himself intervenes means your role is more important than you realize. This woman also has her own spiritual lessons to learn through this situation, and divine forces are working on her heart as well. As Michael's protective energy flows to you, consider sending energy back through a super thanks of $5, $10, or $20. Look for the thanks button appearing now. This exchange of energy strengthens the legal protection surrounding you and helps extend this divine shield to other innocent men facing false accusations and unjust legal action. Complete the spiritual circuit for maximum protection. As you accept this protection, think about the strange interactions you've had with this woman lately. Remember how she suddenly became distant or stopped responding to you normally. Think about times when you felt her energy shift from friendly to cold, or when you noticed other people acting differently around you because of things she might have said. This protection confirms what you already suspected: something serious was developing behind the scenes. Your gut feelings were absolutely right. The uncomfortable tension you felt around her was real and justified. Her behavior was preparing you for what she was planning, even though you didn't fully understand it until now. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now to continue receiving divine legal protection and warnings. Michael notices those who accept his help and protects them in future situations. Then tell us what type of protection you need next by commenting Shield for protection from false accusations, Truth for revelation of hidden plots against you, or Justice for divine intervention in legal matters threatening your peace. Imagine tonight as you prepare for sleep, feeling Archangel Michael standing between you and this legal danger. As your eyes close, see brilliant golden light forming a protective dome over you and everything connected to your situation. Feel a warm sensation spreading through your chest as this shield locks into place around your reputation and your future. Your breathing becomes stronger and more confident with each breath, creating an unshakable barrier that lies and misunderstandings cannot penetrate. Notice how your shoulders relax and tension leaves your body as this sacred protection settles around you. Every inhale pulls in more truth and clarity, while every exhale pushes out fear and anxiety about legal consequences. See the woman's anger dissolving in divine light. Watch the attorney being influenced by fairness and truth. Feel this protection like an invisible armor all around you, defending you in ways you cannot see but can definitely feel working on your behalf. This protection also creates lasting benefits beyond just this immediate legal threat. It establishes a permanent shield around your reputation that guards against future false accusations from anyone. Your spiritual discernment becomes sharper, helping you recognize people's true intentions before situations develop into problems. Doors that this legal action would have closed stay open for you. Relationships that might have been damaged by her narrative stay intact because truth prevails. Your energy field becomes stronger against manipulation and deception from this point forward. This divine intervention clears your name not just in earthly courts but in spiritual realms where your character record matters even more for your future blessings and opportunities. So as you move through the rest of your day, understand this is more than just a warning. It's divine help arriving at exactly the right moment to change the outcome of a serious situation. This protection reminds you that when you maintain your integrity, heavenly forces step in to defend you. Welcome this shield with gratitude and trust in divine justice. As you rest tonight, know that spiritual forces are actively working to resolve this situation in your favor. This moment confirms you have divine protection and an important purpose that heaven itself will defend. Your faith in justice is being honored right now in ways you'll soon witness clearly. This urgent message from Archangel Michael cannot be ignored, especially today when the attorney consultation may be happening within the next 24 to 48 hours. The protection being offered creates a complete shield that false accusations and misunderstandings cannot penetrate. Full awareness of this message activates the most powerful level of legal defense before documents get drafted and signed. This window for divine intervention is closing rapidly as the legal process moves forward. Every minute counts in preventing papers from being filed that could change your entire future permanently. Accepting this divine legal protection means experiencing relief and resolution for the first time since this situation began. Many men report their legal situations completely dissolving after receiving this protection, accusers suddenly changing their minds, cases being dropped before reaching court, and truth emerging that cleared their names completely. This heavenly intervention breaks patterns of false accusations and unjust treatment that may have been threatening your peace and freedom. The shift happens so powerfully that even attorneys are surprised by how quickly situations resolve in favor of innocent men. The shield of Michael's legal protection stays permanently around your life, creating a blessing that extends beyond this single situation and establishes you as someone marked by divine justice. This heavenly marking makes you recognizable to spiritual forces as someone under direct angelic protection from legal attacks and false claims. Thousands of men have secured their legal protection by offering a super thanks of $5, $10, $20, or more. Your contribution joins theirs in strengthening Michael's protective network around our entire community of men facing unjust accusations. Every gift amplifies this shield of truth and ensures these vital warnings continue reaching innocent men whose lives are in danger from legal attacks. Stand together with protected men worldwide. Archangel Michael is watching who accepts this legal protection today. Don't face this woman's attorney without divine defense on your side. Subscribe, share this warning with other men, and activate your protection now before it's too late.